All right, you guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't know. I don't know. All right. Hi, I am so glad to see you again. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Cringe. All right. So, just welcome, please share, subscribe. I really appreciate all of the support that I'm receiving because of these videos. I'm really trying to upload one every week. So if you could share, that would mean the world. So let's get to the video. Today I'm going to give you an update of what my life has been in quarantine. So if you last saw my video, my last week's video, you probably know that I'm already in quarantine, that I'm just waiting, counting days to get out and go to the beach and do all this fun stuff. Yes, I am here, I'm still waiting, but I just wanted to give an update. So you probably know that before you come to the country, some kids, they require you to do a COVID test before and one after you arrive. So I did mine. We did mine in Miami, and then after we came the next day, we did another. I was negative both times. I'm going to get tested again at the end of the 14 days. And if I'm negative again, good to go, right? So one person was positive the second time here in St. Kitts. So there was a positive case in our group. I don't know many details. I don't want to share many details about that person. I don't know. But what I want to tell you is what happened to me and the people around that person. I apparently was sitting near this person in the plane coming from Miami to St. Kitts. So they isolated me and other individuals that were close to the person to a more secluded area of the perimeter, or like the campus area that we are quarantining at. So we are secluded in the seclusion, if you know what I mean. So we have our own outside space, we have our own laundry facility, we have our own stuff, so we don't expose other people, right? We are waiting to see if any of us have any symptoms. Nothing so far. We've been good. We've been social distancing. We've been very careful. And here, everybody's taking this so seriously. So there's nothing to worry about. So we should be good, but we just have to take care, you know? So that's how my life has been. We also have, it's the same thing as we had before being isolated. We have outside time. I can take my dog out. I just have to do it in my isolated outside space, right? I can't go walking with other people, you know, just to be extra careful. I have another week to go, so we're just gonna wait. I'm just chilling, you know, I'm just waiting for the days. But everything else is pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna show you around. I also had to change rooms because I was in another, you know, area of other people. So I'm going to share with you how another studio at the dorms looks like, so you have an idea of the changes and you know, how different apartments look like if you're thinking of applying and dorming here at the university. So yeah, I just wanted to show you and update you guys on the situation. Next week when I get out, I'm going to let you guys know, record to the process, and show you everything I do. That's the point of the channel. So I hope you really like this. And here is the next. I'm going to show you the tour of the room. It's pretty much the same thing. So please, I'll see you next week. Please share. Thank you so much, and bye bye. Pretty much the same thing as the previous tour. We have the bathroom, and it looks almost identical. We have a different curtain. We have the same idea, same basic things. Yeah, this is pretty much what you can find in the dorm here. All right, so then we head to the main living area. We have the bedroom, study space, some drawers, and the kitchenette. This one is smaller than the other one, slightly, but it's pretty much the same thing. It has less windows. I think most of them have this many windows. The one I was before was a special one because it was in a corner of the building, but most of the studio ones are about this size and the same style, the same furniture, the same thing. But this one, on the other hand, has a better view. I can see the campus, and I can see some of the ocean. And this is our designated area, isolated area. That's so where we can walk. It's like a little further down. That's the prep school for kids to go to school. That's the large animal facility, like up there, this one. Right here is the student union. When I'm out of quarantine, I'm going to show you all of that around. But yeah, it's basic stuff. Alright, I hope you like this video. I enjoy making them. It makes quarantine much better. And can you please like and subscribe so I can spread the word about how much I like this dorm. Alright, bye bye.